Welcome to Organic Chemistry tutorial. This is Dr. Emmanuel from Department of Chemistry, Karunya University. Today, I am going to solve a problem on electrocyclic ring closing reaction. You can find this problem in CSIR NET exam 2012. Here is the question. The major product formed in the following concerted reaction is, that is, when this triene is heated at high temperature, what is the product? In order to solve this, you should know electrocyclic ring closing reaction. Which one is favored under thermal condition and photochemical? So you should know that, then only you can solve. So it is easy to remember like this. If the number of electron in the system is 4n, and if you heat, then it will undergo Kohn rotatory. 4n thermal Kohn. If you remember this, the remaining thing you can write on your own. That is, if it is 4n plus 2 under thermal condition, it will undergo disrotatory. If it is 4n under photochemical reaction, it will undergo disrotatory. If it is 4n plus 2 under H mu photochemical reaction, it will undergo Kohn. So memorize this only. The remaining thing you can write on your own. If you memorize all four, it may be confusing in the exam. So memorize this and try to practice to write the remaining conditions. Now, in our case, the number of electron, it is 2, 4, 6. So it is 4n plus 2 system, where n is equal to 1. And it is thermal condition. Now, from this, it is 4n plus 2 and thermal. So the substituents has to undergo disrotatory. Now let us go to the given compound. It is a triene and 9-membered ring. So since it is 4n plus 2 system, under thermal condition, it undergo disrotatory. That is, this hydrogen and this hydrogen, they go in opposite direction. So what we get is a 6-membered ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 5-membered ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the product should be like this, and the double bond goes here, and it connects the ring. Now the question is, what about the stereochemistry of the two hydrogens? Are they cis or trans? Since it is disrotatory, this hydrogen, it is going up, and this also, it is up. Both are in the same direction. So it will be syn, or maybe like this. Instead of going for this mechanism, whether it is Kohn rotatory or disrotatory, easily you can predict that it is not possible to form a trans stereochemistry at this junction. A 5-member ring cannot be connected to a 6-member ring via trans stereochemistry. It is not at all possible. So easily you can predict based on that. Now let us go for the given option. Here are the options 1 and 2. The product is same, but the stereochemistry here it is cis and here it is trans. The hydrogens, they are cis and here they are trans. Trans, it is not possible. So only cis is possible in a 5-member ring. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.